it's Dave from Some Days Today, and I am excited.
Travel, my last frontier, down the road. These are the experiences and adventures of Dave with Some Days Today. My continuing mission? To explore new places, seek out special locations, communities, and people. To go where maybe some have gone before, but even more want to. Join up and become part of the adventure. See you down the road.
Hey, it's Dave with Some Days Today, and da-da-da! So we'll see you down the road.